Hey guys, Amandasushma here and welcome to my channel. So lately I've just been feeling really bored and we have a lot of free time with social distancing and everything. Hopefully within like the next 2 weeks or so everything can go back to kind of normal. Hopefully people will be more careful about washing their hands and hygiene and all of that, but hopefully we can still go out and start enjoying restaurants again and hanging out with our friends. In the meantime, I was feeling really bored yesterday and I made this galaxy makeup look on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It's at Amandasushma. So I made that look on my Instagram and it came out really good, so I thought it'd be fun to do a video and in turn give me something to edit and in turn give me something to do with my time. So for this look I'll only be using 2 palettes really. The first one is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. It's a really long name but I like it. Like this is already on theme, right? This is what it looks like. Very, very nice, very colorful. It's really fun. I like to use it for a lot of colorful looks. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would see those. But yeah, so this is one of the palettes. The other palette that we'll be using is the Morphe 39S palette, and it's giant. I actually got it from my mom for Christmas time, and it actually came in handy. There's a lot of fun colors to play around with. So let's get started.
Perfect. Perfect.
So you really have to pack on these colors. So I'm really just swirling this brush around and just really getting a lot of it and just kind of, continuously packing it on your face just to get that color to come through really well. I look crazy and this is what I decided to do. This might be a good like Halloween idea, putting it out in March. Why not? Some things I've been watching since, this social distancing has been going on is Love Island, the UK version. I am now officially obsessed. I love Shawnice and Luke T. And now I skipped the 5th season. I'm on the 4th season right now, but I might go back to the 5th season. But yeah, what are you guys watching? that is keeping you occupied right now. I also recently watched Frozen. I know, but you know, I just didn't feel like doing it before because of all the hype. And now I finally, like 2020, I sat down and I was like, I'll watch it. I loved it. I watched Frozen 2. They're both awesome. I like Frozen 1 better, but I like Frozen 2's animation. I thought it was really cool. So, yeah. Alright, so next up is some face paint. I actually have some white face paint here, but if you don't have face paint, you can always use like a white liquid liner or maybe like a white eyeshadow base and a really thin brush. Don't judge me. I put this brush to clean in hot water and like the outer part started peeling off because it was too hot. Whatever, it's fine. But basically I'm just gonna dip this in here and then just, you know, put some white dots, put some like stars, wherever you feel like doing it. It's not like supposed to be perfect. Alrighty, so I added the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Kristen and then the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I really like how this came out. I like that this was a really easy look to do. All you really needed was eyeshadow. If you don't have the face paint, you can always use a white liquid liner. Yeah, this was really doable. You can always go the extra mile by like adding on your ears and then like going all the way down. Hopefully you guys are watching this maybe during Halloween time. I just uploaded in March because I knew you were gonna look at this earlier, so that's why, you know, that's why it happened. Anyway, I had fun doing this. I really had fun creating this look. I think it's fun, easy to do, and you know, hopefully it'll help you guys later on in the year. Maybe you won't need it for March, but you might need it one day. And if you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, definitely subscribe and give a girl a thumbs up. And, you know, check out my Instagram at Amandasushma. And yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye!